We made it to Vietnam.
This is ridiculous! I love it! What are you doing? You're flying. Look at you. You're a pilot.
I don't know what day it is. I don't know what number country this is. We met some friends here. Megan.
We imported them.
We imported them.
Friends.
Yeah. Megan and Sean reached out when we were RVing in Phoenix, and we met up with them for the Taylor Swift concert. We had some drinks, and then realized that we're going to be in the same location in Vietnam on the same 2 days. So we are sharing a train together today, and it's great. Down to Ninh Binh.
I'm sporting the most gamer fashion ever today in the backpacking scene. Again, I am the travel turtle with back shelf, front shelf. Oh, do I need more shit? Yeah, why not more? Now we have a 10-minute walk to the train station pulling this stupid thing.
We do have big helmets in here. We're not traveling this heavy all the time, but being careful on the motorbikes is our top priority. So
Safety
we're lugging
first.
them all around the world.
And then everything's so super branded, like from the top. So, well,
Last time it was emotional. It was like really cool.
no, two.
I'm going up to another floor. Tim's down there, and I'm gonna go pick up something else. We're gonna put the camera away. No one's there. Let's go get him. Hey, we need to go get Megan and Sean. They're downstairs, so we just had breakfast together. Oh, it's you again.
Travel experts, Tim and
Ouch, ouch. I just went up to 9.
How was that?
No one was there.
Are we going to the restaurant? That's on 1. Why did you hit 2?
I don't know.
This is how we're starting this? What's on 2? Go enjoy 2.
This is the 4th floor we've been to in this hotel.
Hey, make sure to check out our blog where we'll give you travel tips.
Where we know nothing.
Usually travel the world.
Oh, okay. Let's do this.
Let's give you guys some stuff. We'll buy you another bag you can drag you. Throw in some bricks in it and stuff.
Oh god! Oh, watch your fingers!
It's fine. Here, hold on. There. Just hit the 1 button. Hi guys. There.
Wait, they walked. They walked.
I wouldn't come in here either.
Oh my god. Nailed it. Okay. Yeah. Check it out.
Here.
Hi, Sean.
Hello.
Hi, Megan. It's tiny in here. We're too tall.
Oh, yeah, I'll let you,
Here, wait. Here, you get the girls, Sean.
I get the girls? All right,
I can't even turn it. There you go. Like,
So spacious.
so spacious. Yeah, we'll do like luggage bag. That's awesome.
Good
It's
thing
2
you spared
hours.
no expense. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
it's comfortable for 2 hours. Yeah, cheers, guys.
Good, cheers.
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 Salud.
Oh yeah, so this is gonna be annoying, but we're gonna film a lot. Most of it's gonna just be B-roll. Like, don't ever think about what you're talking about. We won't. If Finney can make me look like a human being on camera,
Right.
don't worry about it.
I know, we like, my mom's like, are you gonna like send us videos? I'm like, no, I'm so awkward, I can't do that.
Yeah.
Do you get used to it? Like, have you gotten used to it?
A little bit, as far as the talking to parts,
Yeah.
and I used to have to like have a few beers before we do the things where we like sit down or like talk on camera. But it's gotten a lot easier, and then even with this thing, it's so much smaller. So then when we're like, instead of pulling the huge camera out and walking down the street,
Yeah.
it's just pop this out, talk, and then yeah.
Sure.
That's clever, Allison. That's clever.
It's just in Vietnamese. We're at Tam Phat Bang.
Okay. Same thing.
Do you have it on a map?
I don't remember this at all.
We've been to this train station.
I don't believe it. I can't remember last week, so remembering 3 years ago is impossible.
Well, we've
Seriously.
been here. I don't remember what we were doing, but
Think
we were
about
here.
it. 2 days ago, Xiamen, 1 day ago, Macau. Here we are, boom, in the middle of Ninh Binh.
We took the train
not
here.
yet. We're
We
still-
got off the train. We got onto our motorbikes, and then we had to go find the random Buddhist temple that we couldn't find.
Welcome to our channel where we say exactly.
Welcome to our channel where we just get lost.
It's working better than that black one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's more reliable.
Here.
Yeah. This is gonna sound stupid, but this has gotten even easier than 3 years ago when we were here, with just like being able to have an app and it's grab. Careful.
We just got in from the train station into Ninh Binh, and the last time we were here 3 years ago, we're realizing things are even easier now. We're using the Grab app to find kind of like an Uber, and that's so much easier than negotiating taxi price or even needing to pay with cash. We heard that there's not an ATM in Tam Phat where we're going, and so you don't want to use all your cash on things like rides, so it's so nice to just have the phone app and be able to grab a ride real quick. And then last night with our taxi from the airport, we were even using it as a translator because they're typing in Vietnamese, we were typing in English, and we were talking while he was driving because the app was translating for us.
Okay, that's it. I don't think there's really much further I can go up here.